Today we will talk about Asus Prime Utopia. Oh, let's like a new motherboard concept. So kill ATX, the ridiculous Asus Prime Utopia looks like a PC plugged from an alternate timeline. So what piece of technology are you still using from 1995? Think about it, your computer case. Yes, if you run a desktop tower, it's likely built on the Intel ATX specification first introduced in 1995, almost 25 years ago. But Asus ridiculous Prime Utopia prototype reimagined what could be within out of word concepts decide to relocate graphic card from its standard PCI slot in the back of the computer. It's mounted vertically along motherboard for added stability when shipping or moving the system. With the GPU moved the back to the back, Asus uses the free up front space to mount for M.2 solid state diode SSD and 7-inch touch OLED. The screens come with Wi-Fi enabled, so you will can detach and put in your disk as well. The OLED display completely covering the expectation slot. Asus envisions most hidden hardware of the future, obviously going into repackable modules situated near the I/O shield input output. These modules would be built around the mini PCIe standard and could be used to add 2.5 GB module or additional USB port, for example. The Asus Prime Utopia doesn't mess with the RAM or CPU layout, but it does move the voltage regulation modules to back of the motherboard, where there can be a water cooled. The prototype PC also move the main power connector to the back of the motherboard. So of course, none of this will work with the way that today's standard ATX system and motherboards are designed. There just isn't a room, nor is the ATX designed to handle any of these alternations. Since it's a 25-year-old standard designed for hardware designed 25 years ago, already designed before you get it triggered thinking that Asus is going to leave the ATX standard behind. Take a breath, it isn't it? In fact, the company just introduced new lines of both AMD and Intel motherboard using the vulnerable ATX specs. But, always there is a but, Asus is obviously hoping to start a conversation about the idea that the spec should be modified. Will ATX die? Nah. The uphill problem for Asus? This was all tried before and it's always fail. In fact, Intel's BTX proposal in 2004 tried to upset ATX and failed miserably, even though some of its changes make sense with ATX. The chipset that controls the USB port is located about so far from the back of the PC as possible. So if we email Intel can push a chance to ATX, Asus hope or likely seem to none. That doesn't mean it shouldn't be try or talk about, but experience with the BTX probably tell us that the Prime Utopia's integrating reimagine of the PC isn't it like to gain widespread attraction. It sure is nice to dream though. So that the updated news from Asus Prime, they will bullet a new PC which is the name is Utopia. So that's it. Thank you for watching this, and if you like my videos or give me some love and show me some love, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.